Happy Tapping Tuesday! Here's your exercise for this week for level 2. So this week we are going to be working with cramp rolls. And I want you to really focus on how you're hitting the floor. Keep it as light as possible. People have a tendency to really try to hit the floor hard. And I'm going to tell you, keep it light. We're also going to do a little pattern with it and a little around the world cramp roll. So you are going to start with just 7 plain cramp rolls. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. On the 8th one, you're doing an around the world cramp roll, which means you're going to switch up which heel you drop first so that you can change your weight to the other side. So instead of being right, left, it's going to be right, left, left, right. So that last one is, that means your weight's on the right side, so you're ready to start left. You do your 7 left cramp rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 around the world. So you drop the right heel first, left heel second. Wherever you drop a heel last, that's where your weight is going to be. Now we're going to do 3 in the around the world. 1, 2, 3, around the world. Now we're going to do 1 on the left side. 1, 2, 3, around the world. Then we're going to do 1 and around the world. 1, around the world. 1, around the world. And then we're going to do 4 around the world. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you get to the 4, those little 4 singles, you're switching feet every time. All right, let's walk through this from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, around the world. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, around the world. A 1, a 2, a 3, around the world. A 1, a 2, a 3, around the world. A 1, around the world. A 1, around the world, around the world. Okay. So with this exercise, there's several things I wanted to focus on. I told you already, hit the floor lightly as possible. You also want to make sure you're separating the sounds. I'm purposely not doing that kind of a cramp roll because I want you to really work on making all 4 sounds, making sure they are distinct from each other. So you're not doing, make sure your rhythm is there. And not just make it clean, make it neat, make it light, make your taps sing. Five, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, around the world. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, around the world. A 1, a 2, a 3, around the world. A 1, a 2, a 3, around the world. A 1, around the world. A 1, around the world, around the world, around the world. Toe, toe, heel, heel,